ready for my close-up. Hi, I'm Deborah.
I'm Caleb.
And this is Mega House. Come this way. These are our commercial rentals, which we rent out commercially. Let's head on inside.
Come on, this way.
This way, Nehemiah.
What is this room?
Okay, this is the before picture of our kitchen and living room. All right, this is where we hope to have bedrooms and bathrooms Hopefully, when this is done, Caleb will stop spitting on the ground everywhere. Caleb, clean it. Oh, this will be the laundry room, I think. Maybe. And then there might be a balcony out there. I don't know.
So they covered part of this window with ceiling, and then they just put a board right there on both sides.
We're going this way. This will be the apartment. The living area will be over there. And then there'll be a cute little kitchenette area over here. And then we'll have a restroom in here. This is the Oddfellow room. Come this way for the grand tour. No spitting in the Oddfellow room. So this is a stage where a lot of people are gonna like play music. Welcome to our rental.
So what do you think about this floor?
It's okay. I was kidding, it's awesome. So we need to put trim in. We're looking for boutiques. You got a boutique.
What is a mega house? It's a big house downtown.
Yeah.